quick review of the Airbnb in the city. Wecostay, basically the same. You come in, you got the closet here. You can hang your clothes. The washing laundry, you got the laundry bag. This is to change the towels. It's for socks and whatnot. And you got another closet here. This is the main light. Closet here. Pots and pans. Another closet up there. I'm 5'11", so I can kind of reach that. Got more storage down here. And here. Then you got the washer and dryer all in one. There's the sink here, got the laundry detergent, utensils, dish detergent, like a microwave, more high storage up here, and here. This is the sink. It's right here. You got storage here. They give you 2 slippers and you got storage here. Towels. They give you 2 extra toilet paper. This is the bathroom. And what I like about this is this one. Put your phone, you can charge while doing business. Small trash, and this is the shower. They give you slippers too. And this is the bed. This is the room. And this is the light panel. You can either turn off or turn on all lights individually. Yeah, that's a help. I never used that. That's it. This is the fridge. You can scan for a quick chat to contact them. They reply in 2 seconds. This is the fridge. I believe they give you 2 water bottles, small ones. And more storage up here. What's this? This is the freezer. You don't get the strawberries though, I bought these. This is the room. There's the AC up here. And this is the vent. And this is the AC remote. It's all in information instructions I'll show later. This is for the, I think that's the filter. From this one, trash bin right here. That's the TV. You can rent this laundry rack, table. That's another bed right here. This is the instructions. It's in Japanese, Chinese, and English. You can these items. You can rent a vacuum, plug, the laundry rack, and you can scan this for help. More trash bags, tissues, and this is the 15th floor. That's the view. The subway is right under us, which makes it the perfect Airbnb. That's it. Like and sub chat.